January 21st, 2021, practice number 2. All right, so the first one, 24 is 96% of what number? All right, so 24 is 96% of what number? So first of all, what we have that 96%. We know 96% is 96 out of 100. Then we know is over of. So of what number? We don't know that number. But we do know that 24 is going to be the is. So is over of. Remember, is over of. All right, now we can do our cross multiplication. 100 times 24 is going to be 2,400. 96 times x is just going to be 96x, or 96 times x, because we don't know what that x equals yet. So now we can start getting x by itself, and we can divide both sides by 96. Divide by 96. That means this gets canceled out to leave x by itself over here, which is what we wanted. Now we can do 2,400 divided by 96. So if you do 2,400 divided by 96, you get 25 as your answer. So your answer is going to be 25. So 25. All right, so that's going to be it for that one. Let's take a look at this next one. After serious negotiating, you get $25 discount on a pair of sneakers. If the original price of the sneakers was $125, so the original price was $125, what percent discount did you get on the sneakers? So we don't know what percent we got on the discount, so we don't know that percent. We do know it's going to be out of 100 though. We do know the original price was $125, and we know the discount price was $25. So now we have it set up. Now we can put it. Now we can do our cross multiplication. 125 times x is 125x. 100 times 25 is going to be 2,500. Now we can divide both sides to get x by itself. Divide by 125. Divide by 125. So we have x is going to equal, well, if you do 2,500 divided by 125, you get 20. So our answer is going to be 20%, because that's the percent it's going to be. So I'm going to actually write it over here, 20%, and I'll highlight that too. And that's going to be it for our answer there. And that's it for the practice number 2. Great job.